going down the road with Janvi, my sister, and we're driving, and I just stop on General Matenge, and I look at this boy and I'm like, Jan, that's the boy I want.
It was a surprise, trust me. The first time I heard of them was a bit funny. As you know, our culture, we do not allow all these things.
I would be leaving my office in the evening at about 7ish, and all of a sudden Akshay calls me in the evening, Dad, let us know when you're leaving the office so we know you're getting home. So I thought, I have a son who's very caring and wants to know the father is getting home in that timelines that he's supposed to get home.
Our dating life was crazy, really. We were skipping school, class. I was just going to pick her up when she was in class. I would help her.
He used to pick me up from college, and I have class in the morning. He'd just call me, drop me a message, I'm out, come out. Then again in the afternoon, it's the same thing. Deep inside my mom's head, I had uni the whole day. But it was not true, Mom, I'm sorry.
So what really used to happen is from 4 o'clock after college, when he would be at home, Darshini would be coming home as well. And my mom knew everything, but they decided to keep it between themselves. So by the time I come home, Darshini has left.
One of my friends comes and tells me, Praful, you know, better take care of yourself. I said, myself? Yeah, because I saw your daughter with somebody. I was surprised. When and where and how? It must not be Darshini. He says, no, your elder daughter, Darshini, yes. All right. So who was it? He says, well, you know the guy, you know the father, you know everything.
I've always known he's a shy guy. And for him to just, drive up one day to pick me up from school, see a chick sitting in the car in the front seat. I'm a mouth by there, I run my mouth a lot. So I was just sitting in the car like, bro, who's this? He's looking at me like, you shut up.
One day I forgot to call, and I got home and I bumped into Darshini at home. So I said, hi, how are you, what's happening? And they were all startled to see me. And I knew 1 + 1 is not 2 but 11.
Even Akshay's dad thought that Akshay was actually at college or at work, but we used to be together.
Darshini is very matured, a very family person.
When mom used to make khichdi and butter and ushak, roti, that was like, what the hell have you made? I'm not eating this stuff. This girl goes and sneakily orders food, somehow sneaks it into the house and takes it to a room, and you find the takeaway empty packets in the dustbin the next morning.
What makes me proud of her is she has been brought up in a family which has a lot of our Hindu culture, religion, and it's something which I'm confident that she will pass it on to her children and make them understand the value of our religion.
I take her as my second mom, and I love her so much.
Are you gonna cry? They fight all the time. This is like a sensitive spot even I'm finding now.
Darshini is a spectacular person. She's amazing. She's got it all. I've never had a female figure around for long, but Darshini came around and man, I started stealing her jewelry, her stuff. She didn't expect that, but it's happening.
She is loud. When Darshini is not here, it's just quiet. She's the noise of the house.
She will scream and he will bully her. They are partners in crime, from everything to cooking to breaking stuff in the house.
એ બહુ જ હેલ્પફુલ છે. મારી સાથે મારી ફ્રેન્ડ ની જેમ રહે છે. હજી મને કાંઈ કામ હોય તો એ ફર્સ્ટ હોય મારી સાથે બધાયમાં. અને નાની હતી ત્યારે હેરાને બહુ કરી છે. ઉપર ગાઝીમાં ઉપર ચડી જાય, ત્યાં નીચે પડી જવાની હતી. પછી એકવાર વાઇટ પેટ્રોલ પી ગઈ હતી, એમાં બહુ દોડાદોડી કરાવી નાખી હતી. But still, we love her.
Akshay is very soft, but he gets very angry.
He is a very sentimental, emotional, and family-oriented young man who has grown up to be what he is today.
Very, very shy guy, but I've always known he's a cheeky one. He's a very cheeky and sly one.
When I see the guy, nice, smart, handsome looking guy, was a bit shy.
He's my best friend. From the day we met till to date, he's been my best friend.
Me indeed, I'm very happy because now there is another person that my brother can disturb aside from me. And there's another person I have as well to bully my brother with and to grow this family with. So I'm very, very happy.
Stop, grow up here, because marriage ain't going to be easy. You're going to have it hard. You're going to have to get into the kitchen and cook.
So babe, here's our day. I have butterflies in my stomach. The way you call me your butterfly, I am your butterfly. I have butterflies in my stomach. And let's start a new life together. We grow old together, toothless. And yeah, we're a small akudop.
I really want to spend time with you till the end, till we die. Play with our kids who are going to look alike. We want twins, you know that.
The love of my life, I just want to tell you something which you already know. But once again, I loved you, I love you, and I will always love you.